So let's go ahead and check out, what do we got? Jackie's shop here next. You're welcome, Katie. So we've got Jackie over here, tea towels with a flare. Okay. There's something about your shop here. Like it's missing the normal little, the details here. So I think it's good to get those details here. Just starting to fix it. Okay, good, Jackie. So let's see if we can help you out. So over here on your shop, it looks a little bare. If we look at Katie's shop, you see we've got right here, we've got a little tagline like what the shop is about, and we got a location, and yours doesn't have that. So you want to get your basics put together, because right now your shop doesn't look very trustworthy. It's hard to tell where, who you're getting it from. So I would recommend put the location, put your little detail about who your shop is and what it's about. And then right here on your photo, I'd suggest get a real photo of yourself there and put your name. Because right now, I believe it's just your username or something, and it's Burn CNDLS. So that doesn't mean anything to anybody else. A name, if it said Jackie Mead there, then we'd know we're getting this here from Jackie Mead. And I think that would help you out a lot. So it's so important to get your shop foundation. You also want to get your policies here put together. Fill in all of your shop policies. So your return policy, your shipping policy, and those details as well. So I think that would be important to have there. Let's see here. So we got a bad review. Quality of the item is okay, not great. Expectations, product didn't come in time. So it's important to get rid of, when you're brand new, a bad review is a real pain. So my suggestion would be reach out to Sherry here and say, hey, Sherry, can I just give you a refund if you'll remove your bad review? Because it takes your review average, down to 3 stars because you only got 2 reviews. So I'd reach out to her and see if hey, I'm sorry things didn't work out. I know you didn't get your item in time and you're frustrated. I'm sorry about that. My mistake. If you will delete the bad review, I'll refund your money. And a lot of times people will do it because they think, oh, I'll get my $10 or whatever it is. Snowstorm, and I did give her back money. Okay, too bad. That's a bummer. Well, I would ask her anyways. If you did give her back your money, yeah, then you should definitely ask her to take down the bad review. And I think that should always go, guys. Unless you are obligated to give back the money because of a refund or something, if you're not, if somebody leaves you a bad review, I wouldn't just refund their money. I would say, hey, I'm sorry about that. If you take down the review, I'll give you back your money. And then everybody, kind of parts ways. It's a truce. So I'd reach out to her and see if you can get rid of that bad review. Otherwise, just go ahead and post a response, if nothing else, and say, I took care of Sherry. So sorry, there was a snowstorm, and sorry it didn't arrive in time. And, at least new people coming in will understand. So let's look at your products here. We got 48 products. And marinated chicken tea towel. All right, let's check it out. We got a marinated chicken tea towel. And so the first thing, I don't think this photo is really showing it off very well. I can't see the bottom of the towel. I just kind of see the white, and it doesn't really show me what the hand towel looks like. I'd like to see the edges of the towel. If we look up let's look up the, this exact keyword. Let's see what we can get here. Marinated chicken tea towel. Here we go. So right here, this one, you can kind of see they got the towel hanging, and there's, the shadows, the background. So you can get a whole picture of what the tea towel looks like there. And I think that's going to be really important for you. This one is kind of laid out a little bit, and they've got some eggs, they've got some other stuff around it. That looks nice. And I think you could go and do a little setting like that as well and kind of show it off. A rolling pin, some eggs, different things like that. So yours are just a little that one's too clean. It's just missing information, and it just kind of, there's no definition or anything around it. So you got to show the whole item off, what it's going to look like, and you could hang it over your stove handle or something like that. your oven handle, and it kind of show off some of the details there. This one is a little bit too dark. You know, I again you need to come up with a staging environment. You know, just the same way you take your photos every time, make it look nice and pretty, and then just do all your photos of all your products in the same little spot. But you'll figure out a spot that looks really good. These ones are kind of blurry. 3 gnomes, you need a lot more keywords there. So for this one, you need like 3 gnomes hand towel, 3 gnomes kitchen towel, 3 gnomes tea towel. So, you know, you've got a bunch of different keywords you can use: tea towel, kitchen towel, hand towel, but you got to get those details in there. And then also, I think you should give some more details in your description about how many of, you know, these are going to come in it. Is it going to be 1 towel? Is it going to be 2 towels? But right now, I feel like I'm missing a lot of information. Sale, buy any 3 towels for $34. Okay. And yeah, so I'll just make it clear that it's just 1 hand towel. Like put a right here, like an items list. Like this listing comes with 1 hand towel. Put that detail there, and it will give some people a little bit more certainty. Redoing them, only have the first 8 towels working on. Okay. So let's look at these bones one. Yeah, just the same stuff. I'd recommend redo your photos. The keywords are better on these ones, but I think the photos are going to make them pop out a lot more and look a lot better when you've got a little bit cuter photos to kind of show it off.